Hello everybody, welcome to another Splatty video, and for this one Adam's joining me and we are going to be drawing a Baby Gronckle from the How to Train Your Dragon series. So without further ado,
let's begin.
Yeah, so we'll just draw him across the middle here.
Okay.
So the first thing you want to do is draw a little arc line like that.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
A U shape.
I think I messed up a bit.
You can grab that other sheet over there.
Okay. I'll try this again. I'm not used to.
Okay.
I'm not the best at drawing. Okay.
And we're gonna draw a shallower one within that one.
Okay. So something like that.
Yeah. And we're going to complete like a circle, like the top of his head, like that.
Okay.
Okay. And now you can add two. It's not quite eyebrows. This is more like.
Yeah, I was about to say it looks almost
yeah.
like an eyebrow.
And now a big eye below that.
Okay.
Same for the other side.
Mine is super big.
You can draw a little reflection in there if you can fit one. Got two reflections. So this is gonna be like a vertical oval shape.
Okay.
But the line coming down here doesn't cut through the reflection. So we're just going down. You see that?
Yep.
And we do another one on the other side.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Going down
and
again.
The same with the other one.
Same with the other eye.
Okay. Okay.
And we color in.
Okay.
See, once you color the pupil in, the picture already takes shape. It comes alive. You can see the little.
We didn't add the nostrils, did we?
The Baby Gronckle. We can add nostrils now.
Okay.
So.
Added my nostrils.
Just two little dots there, and there we have a face with nostrils. So for the teeth, it will be teeth sticking out from the bottom of his lip, but you can put it anywhere you can.
Okay.
So
it made it a bit too small, but let's see.
Spikes.
So I have one big tooth there, you might not see it, and then I have small teeth.
I'm gonna add one more there. So I have 3 on the one side and 2 on the other side. It was just quite small. So now 2 little mini stalks, because he has 2 little mini wings on top of his head.
Okay, so small pieces like that.
Yeah. And now just watch me.
Okay.
We're going to do like little wings on his head. So we're going to do a little line out, then 1, 2 and back.
Okay, then I'm gonna go out, 1, 2 and back.
So we're going out here, 1 arc, 2 arc, and just back to the stem.
1, 2, 3. Here we go.
Okay, yeah, that's looking good. So now the Baby Gronckle, his body is almost the size of his head, or his head is almost is like very similar sized. So just I'm gonna draw an arc, but I'm gonna leave a gap towards the middle of the arc here.
Okay.
I'll explain later. So I'm gonna draw this arc and I stop there and I continue the little arc till there.
Okay, and got it.
Okay, and now a smaller arc.
So now the smaller one.
And now one that's half the size of this, just a mini one.
There we go.
So I'm bringing him around.
Okay.
It's a bump and another bump. And now I'm going to draw his back legs. This is baby stubby legs, eh?
Okay.
So from here, or rather from here, you can just do that and that.
Okay, and I got it.
And I'm just drawing little toe stubs.
Okay, here we go.
And little toenails, dragon toenails, baby dragon toenails, okay? A little arm.
Okay, so this will be front arm.
Yeah, and I'm doing the same for the little toe stubs. And he's got, let's see yours.
Okay.
Okay, And we complete the tummy line.
Okay.
And if you need to, in my case, just a little line there, but you don't need it.
And it's still edges a
Okay,
little, not
you've
needed
got them
much.
added. So you know the little gap we left open here at the top?
Yep.
We are going to add a stalk coming out there.
Oh,
And
is
with
this
a
supposed to be
shorter
for the
line.
wing?
Yeah, this is the wing. This is the
Oh.
wing stalk.
Okay.
So doing that. So we have a straight line and it goes off that way.
Okay.
And just like we did on the little baby wings on his head,
Okay.
we are going to do 1 arc, 2 arc,
2,
3 arc, and back.
3, and back. There we go.
So while following this line here with this bend in it, with the changes direction, we can literally just do, watch me, do that
Okay.
and that.
Okay.
And then from this point here, we join it to the other points of these arcs. So there's one,
1,
there's one,
2,
and there's another one.
3.
Okay, then on this side we draw another line, same length as your main line there, so
Okay,
that the
let's-
wings is
okay.
equal
okay.
size. And you take it out like we did, and now we do the 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
take it back, and a stem.
3, and a step. There we go.
Okay, so with this back main stem line here, we draw a line parallel to that or going this next to that,
Okay.
and from the corner of that line
Okay.
we can draw another line going out to these points.
2, 3.
There we go, and there we have our little baby Gronckle. So that's a complete baby Gronckle with the funny stubby tail, the 2 wings, the 2 baby wings on his head, but the baby Gronckle has little bumps on his body.
Oh, water. As
Warts.
I call it.
Yeah, they could be warts. So we are going to add little warts to his body, and you can put yours wherever you want. So I'm just gonna draw mine in. So you put it wherever you
I'm
want to
gonna
put
put
it.
some on the leg, some on the body.
Yeah, that's fine. Because each baby Gronckle is unique. There might be family.
Yeah, mine is a small leg in its body. There we
There
go.
And I'm doing a little bump on his leg as well. Bump on his leg as well. I'm gonna put one on his chin. And that's my baby Gronckle.
Go with the same idea.
Okay. So now we can color this in. So yeah, we can go with whatever over here. I'm gonna go with.
Gronkles don't really they have any color they want.
Okay, so you can then choose a brown,
I guess I'm gonna go with the bluish one.
a brown, green, and a pink.
This is a I don't know what this color is supposed to be, but a decent darkish blue and a light blue, and I'm gonna go with sea green. There's not sea green, cyan.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, so I'm
So the
picking
bottom
this.
of my Gronckle, his chin is gonna be brown.
So I'm gonna first color in the dark blue at the bottom, but then I'm gonna take a darker blue and color in the wards darker, so you can see
I'm
it
throwing a
better.
bit of brown at the bottom as well. His tummy is gonna be brown. And so you can make your Gronckle any color you want. And we're just having fun over here.
Now. Well, I don't
back
think, I'm
part
not
is
sure
gonna
if
be
it is an
completely
ear, but
different.
I would think it's an ear, the little wings on the head.
Yeah, it could be an ear. I'm gonna draw my green chin.
Okay. With cyan, now that same darkish color, we're gonna go to the wing. Go on the top here. Color in the whole wing.
And I'll make my
Same with the other
full
wing.
top of my tail this color over here.
Same with this wing here. I'm gonna color this.
Do I have a blue? Babe, I'll take your blue.
Then I'm gonna take this darkish one again. And I'm gonna go over the wing. Because in that other color was at the first put on, also adds kind of a shade almost. Not exactly, but it will. If you try it, you'll see what I mean. I don't know how to explain it really.
Yeah, you can just add. I see what you're saying. You want to get a bit of a gradient going in the color there, where it goes from light to dark. Okay.
Now for the other part of the head, I'm gonna use the lighter blue.
And I need an orange. There we go.
Originally I was gonna make his whole body blue, which I'm still going to do. But I think to make this look even cooler, I'm gonna add red on the warts.
I'm gonna have orange legs.
Ooh, cool, Dad.
I'm just having fun with all these colors, man. There's so many colors available to us, might as well use them.
Yep.
And I'm
gonna go with the red and blue scheme. And well, purple-ish. Wait, where's that color now?
just do this whole wing green. And on the side green as well.
Oh, and fun fact, when a baby Gronckle hatches out of the egg actually explodes. That's why they lay the eggs in water.
I remember that. Exploding eggs.
That's why the eggs are actually in water, not to drown the babies. It's just so the eggs doesn't cause destruction. Since it's
You have the red available there? Okay, you have the
I
red.
haven't used the red yet. So, color that body in.
Red.
Now we're gonna use the
yeah.
dark blue. Whoops, I moved this out of the picture by accident. So now we color in.
What's are going to be different colors?
I'm also gonna do one with different color. But
Just
now
keep
I'm
your
not
page on the
gonna-
picture.
Oops, sorry. Now
There
I'm
we
gonna
go.
put this blue back. Then I think for the next one will be a purple scheme on the split.
I'm almost there with mine. I think. Do I finish it up with the green? Might as well.
Yep, I think you should, because then the wing will make sense when it connects. Well, actually, you might not need to, because it kind of looks like a cake if you think about it.
His name is Keiki.
I think my dragon is gonna be called Tiny Head, because it has a tiny head.
Tiny head and Keiki. There we go. And what now?
So I think I'm gonna use green now for the one last bit, and I'm gonna color each wart on each layer a bit different. Which I also might as well use the colors.
Just keep your page upright so that the viewers can see what you are doing.
I sometimes tend to do that just so I can see
I know what
color.
you mean. And I have a purple.
Okay, got some red going on the blue warts where the blue body is. We're adding the red warts. I'm actually gonna add a bit of red on the top of the head of this dragon just to add a bit of color, texture, but not texture, but just a bit of the color. Okay, now that we use the red,
I didn't do the tail.
Now-
Tail wood.
purple.
And there.
If I put the purple, I will use a bit of yellow, since the yellow will stick out. And by green, I think I'll use. What should I use for green? Oh, I'll use orange. And there you go. Small lady's done.
Cake is done as well. So that's our little baby Gronckles. you want to look like he could be like a little baby dog on his baby dog dragon on without the bumps. And I suppose that's what the baby Gronckle is based on, like a fat bulldog kind of character. And
Just
that's
the way they decided to make it fly.
yeah. Okay, so that's it. So if you want to draw this yourself, you can always pause the video and just
Check it
play and go along slowly.
And use whatever color you want. I don't have to use our colors exactly.
And yeah, leave a comment. See, you can put in a request if you want us to draw anything else. And
there's his full name. I'm gonna make it Tiny.
okay, so he's Tiny Ed.
Tiny Ed and Kiki.
My one's name is. Oh, that's it. Yeah, there we go. Kiki with an exclamation point. Okay, so thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, do subscribe, be good, and have fun.
And also have a great time.
Bye.
Bye.